Hi guys, I'm the TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you're watching this, I suggest you to learn the 3x3 first because it is important to know all the basic cubing concepts first. This cube is composed of all corners. There are no centers and edges, which a 3x3 cube has. It is important to remember the placement of each color on this cube. It is white, yellow, blue, orange, green, and red. Now let's start. Choose any corner piece to start with. I choose this white, blue, and orange corner piece. This layer will be the first layer. Next, you have to place a corner next to this one. Since that it is white, yellow, blue, orange, green, and red, that means the corner in here should be white, orange, and green. Let's find the white, orange, and green. It is already in here. Now make sure that when you face it like this, you are facing the white side. So when you bring it up, it simply matches up with this one. Now next, it should be white, green, and red. This one is white, green, and red. Now you can simply bring that one up. Now when you have a situation like this, wherein when you bring this piece up in here, it is not properly oriented. Now what you have to do, follow these steps. Put this piece in this place. Now bring this piece in here. Bring that piece in there. Now bring this piece in here. Like that. And now bring back this piece in here. See, it's done. Now when you have a situation like this, wherein when you bring this piece up, the white side is at the right side. Now it is not properly oriented again. Now we'll do steps to fix this. It's also very simple like the other one. Bring this piece in here. Now bring this piece in here. Now you can simply bring it up in here. This is applicable for the second and third corner piece. These are the second and third corner piece. As you go on with the process, you might feel limited in making moves, so you have to be more careful with the other pieces which are already correct. Now for this last corner piece, it is white, blue, and red corner piece. Should be in here. Now what you have to do is to face the white side of this corner piece. If the white side of the corner piece is in here, face the cube like this. But if it's at the bottom, that is another case that we will take care of later. If the corner piece is on the left side, this is the left side. Now bring this corner piece in here. Now bring this left side down. Bring this piece in here. You should see that it is aligned with this one and bring it up. As easy as that. Like I said earlier, it is possible that the white side is in here, not in here. Now face that white side. It is on the right side. Bring this piece in here. Bring this right side down. Bring this piece back in here. It should be aligned and bring this up. Now in this case, the white side is facing the bottom. Now this is what you have to do. Bring this piece all the way to the back. Now make sure that the piece at the back is facing the white side. Now you can bring it to the front and bring this back. Now put this piece in here. Face the white side and you'll do the usual process. Bring it to the right. Bring this left side down. Bring this piece back in here and bring it up. But if you're facing the other side, you'll do the same process, but it will be different because you'll be doing it at the left side. Bring it to the back. Now bring that piece up to the front. Now bring this one back. Now face the white side. Should be positioned in here because it should be in here. Bring it to the left. Bring this right side down. Bring this piece in here. It should be aligned and bring it up. Now when you have a situation like this, if for some reason the corner piece is already at the right place but not in the proper orientation and the white side is facing the right, now what you have to do is to bring this piece down. Bring this piece in here. Make sure that the white side is facing now at you and bring it up. You can bring this piece in here. face the white side. You can do the usual process, bring it to the right, bring this left side down, align it, and bring it up. Now if the white side is facing at the left, now it is impossible that the white side is facing at the front because you can choose where to face. So it is facing at the left. Now, same process, but you'll be doing it at the left side. Bring this piece down in here. Make sure that when you bring this piece in here, it's facing the white side, bring it up. Now bring this piece in here, face the white side. Now it is at the right. Bring it to the left. Bring this right side down. Match it up and bring it up. Now, we're done with the first layer. Now for the last layer, turn the cube upside down. There are only 2 steps to do in this layer. Place the corners and orient the corners. First, for placing the corners, you have to choose a corner first to start with. If you have a corner wherein its yellow side is at the top, I prefer to choose that one. If you don't have, choose any. Now at this point, we have 2. Now I want to start with this one, and it's yellow, blue, and orange. It is already at the right place. Now I said earlier that I prefer to choose the corner wherein its yellow side is at the top. Since the yellow side is at the top, it is already properly placed and properly oriented. Now, let's start with this corner. Our goal now is to place the other edges to the right places. Face the cube like this, wherein the right corner piece is on the right side at the front, and do this algorithm. For the purpose of algorithm, it is the left side. This is the right side. This is the top side. Now when I say right, it is a right clockwise. When I say right prime, it is a right counterclockwise. Now the clockwise and counterclockwise move depends on the face you are facing. If it is a right clockwise, face the right side, it is a right clockwise. If it is a left clockwise, face the left side, it is a left clockwise. Now the algorithm goes like this: left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. Check if the other corners are already at the right places. If not, do the algorithm again. This one's already correct. This one's already correct. This one's already correct. If not, do the algorithm again. Don't worry about repeating the algorithm. You just have to do it once or twice. There is a situation wherein you can't correct all the corners. You have been repeating the algorithm, but it doesn't correct the situation. You have corner parity. That happens when the cube doesn't have a fixed center, unlike in the 3x3. Now you have a corner parity when 2 corners are already on the right places and the 2 are not. Face the cube like this. The 2 correct corners are at the front. You know how to solve a 3x3. You might know a part of this algorithm already. Again, for the purpose of algorithm, this is the top side, this is the right side, and this is the front side. Here's the algorithm: up prime, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Now you'll go back placing the other corners, but I assure there will be no corner parity anymore. Now this one's correct. Face it like this. The right corner piece is on the right side at the front, and do this algorithm just like earlier: left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. Check if the other corners are already at the right places. If not, do the algorithm again. No, it's not. Let's do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. I suggest you to watch my tutorial video about the faster ways on how to solve the last layer for Rubik's Cube. There's actually a faster way on how to place this corner. Now it's done. All the corners are already on the right places. Next, we will orient the corners. We'll do it by piece. You may start with any corner. I'll start with this one. Here is the algorithm. For the purpose of algorithm, this is the right side and this is the down side. I'll start with this one. Right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down. You just have to do the algorithm again until you solve all of the pieces. Don't worry about the first layer, it'll be solved eventually. Now move on to the next corner piece. Just do the same. Don't change where you are facing. Just move the corner piece in here. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Next corner piece. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, and down. And the top side. Now we're done. If you managed to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.